Hey, Golden Unicorn fans. How you doing? Let's see if I heard the bell. Hello, everyone. This is your joke of the evening. Are you ready? What do the chickens say when they birth? Excuse me. It's a good one. Good one. Tell your friends and family. That's a real good one.